What's up, everybody? I'm going to be installing fog lights in my truck today. It's 2008, 2010. These are factory fog lamps. You can see this one. This tab sticking up. This goes on the driver's side. This on the passenger side. It's fairly easy. You can see mine didn't come with them, but there's just a little plastic piece there, and there's 3 bolts that hold it. I'll show you these. See it? There's one right up there. 2 right here. These are 5/16. I'm gonna get these off real quick. Okay, so it looks like in order to get this through here, I need to take these screws out. This one right here, these plastic ones on each side. Of course, I got 2 more helpers now. This one don't have a channel. This one does. I'll link it in the description. But anyways, I'll go ahead and get these screws out. Alright, so I've got it all installed here. I did it, mount the bracket right here. You maneuver this light here through this hole. Get maneuvered in here. You put the long screw through here and put the bolts on the side, and you get a small screwdriver. Like so. Makes things easier. You can get in this one, you get your little ratchet on this. So that's you can see 5/16. I'll go ahead and do the other side real quick. Alright, I'll show y'all how to maneuver this piece in here. Just come up here, just kind of twist it. Found it right there. And then just mount it up real quick. Okay, it looks a lot better. The fog lights got both of them installed. They're not wired up yet, just waiting on the harness to come in the mail. But I will continue this video after the harness. Just stay tuned, everybody. Alright, here you are a couple days later. Got all my stuff. Came with a switch for the fog lights because mine doesn't have one, unfortunately, but luckily they sent a switch with a harness. Harness and switch was $80. And also I got these LEDs. I'll put a link for everything in the description down below. Well, let's get started. Okay, so we're in here. And so I have this on the headlight. Little dummy plug here. Take that out. Plug that in right there. I'm gonna see how to run this first, and then I'll show you how to run it. Alright, so I had the wire ran right beside the headlight up here, and just put it straight down. There's a couple little tabs. You'll see the holes up here. One's up top there. The other one's right here on the frame behind the bumper, and runs all the way back behind here. Behind these tow hooks, there's a hole there. Down, one there, one there, one down here. There's 2 of them under the tow hooks, and there's one up there. We're going to change these bulbs out real quick. It's LEDs. You get it, twist counterclockwise, pull out. That's it. Do that, and then voila. I'll go ahead and do the other side real quick, and I'll get to the switch. I'll go ahead and pull the switch out and grab on the side here. Should pop right out. Get this plug out of here. See. Okay, so on the switch, you get on the back side. This one, you just push down on it, clip it through, and push this one back in. Or just realize the fog doesn't come on until you have the key on, like so. Turn auto, pull that, illuminated. See, now you have fog lights. We didn't have any already. No LEDs. the LED. LED switchback. So that is how you add fog lights to your truck when you don't have any at first. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you like, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day.